You know, I made a lot of video about the processing to make kombucha, and after that, I have a lot of this production. So in kombucha, we have a kombucha water, and we have the SCOBY. I just want to need kombucha to make the next generation kombucha, and I don't know what should I do with that SCOBY. So I just thinking I finding a lot of information and I'm watching a lot of video about what should I do with this goby. And my major is about food engineering, and I find some information about we can make nata de coco from SCOBY kombucha. So I just starting and doing, just making. So after that, a lot of work, a lot of make. So the last one, I have the processing to make nata de coco at home, and I want to show to everyone this processing. So let's follow me to have more information about this processing. Let's go. In a Vietnamese video, I shared to everyone about the 6 month SCOBY kombucha to make nata de coco, and you see in this video the SCOBY is so thick. So it's because it's so thick, so it's so hard to make the next step. So in this video, I just make from the it's not thick. It's not thick. It's just about the thickness is about 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters is okay. And after preparing material, we need to do something. We need to cut this goby to the small pieces, and the size of this just about length, width, and height is about 1 to 1.5 centimeter is okay. It's good. It's easy for eat and easy for the next step. And after we cutting, we need to do something. We need to wash it, right? And this step is very important. It's effect to the flavor of the final product. And kombucha is the production of fermentation processing. So when we fermentation, we'll have acid inside. So SCOBY is just the production of some bacteria to grow up, right? So we need to make another product. We need to check this sour flour is good for final product. And in this nata de coco is not good for the final product, so we need to take it out, right? So how can we check the smell of nata de coco at home? It's just about smelling, and we need to washing and put in the water is about 1 to 2 days. So check by smelling and see the pieces is more whiter. It's okay. And after washing, we need to do something. We need to boiling to make the sour flavor is quicker, evaporated. Because when we're boiling, we have to increase the temperatures, and when we increase the temperatures, the acids inside these pieces will easy to evaporate it. Okay, and after that, we need to put it out and prepare to the next step. Is something. Let's put water, sugar, and nata de coco. The ratio is just about 1:1:1. And cooking about 5 minutes. And in this step is very important. If you have more materials to put inside to do something to mask the sour nata de coco flavor. And in this video, I use a rosella flour because the first one is about the color. The red color is so good, and it will make your final product is more beautiful. And then next one is make a little bit sour. But sour is from the flowers, not from the NATA DE COCO. And it's a little cheap. And the Brazil flower is cheap, and we can find more in the market. It's easy. This is free. So after cooking is about 5 minutes. So we need to cooling and put in jar or put in bag to put in the fridge, and just put in 1 or 2 days, and yes, eating, right? And you see this picture, this is a final product, but the pieces is the color is not good, right? Because it's just the new. So if the red will put inside the pieces of NATA DE COCO, we need to have 1 to 2 days to the syrup water will go inside the pieces, so it's more beautiful. Yes, and this is the processing to make NATA DE COCO from SCOBY KOMBUCHA at home. So thank you for everyone for watching and listening my video. So see you next time. And if you have any question, just type in the comments. So thank you.